decision today to purchase that land. We expect that the entire process of all the environmental issues, other permissions, other local issues, local permissions, central permissions, we expect maybe anytime within the next month to maximum 3 months time. I hope that we should be able to clear it. We are working very, very hard on it. Once that is done, and the entire clearance has been given to Airport Authority of India, Airport Authority will take exactly 18 months to construct and expand the new runway, which means we are hoping that if we are able to hand over everything by September of this year, we expect that by March 2027, the expansion of the runway will be complete, which will then further allow us to land the larger aircrafts in Shillong. More importantly, also the expansion and the new work for the Shillong Airport includes not just the expansion of the runway, but also the expansion of the terminal itself.
Could you elaborate more on